is the greatest exposition on love written human history. Ano ang pinakadakilang paglalarawan, pagdidescribe ng love na naisulat sa kasaysayan ng sangkatauhan? I will give it to you now. First part. Then I'll give the second part, last next Sunday, last Sunday. Here it is. 1 Corinthians 13, 4 to 7. Unang Korinto, Kapitulo 13, talatang 4 hanggang 7. Here it is. I want everyone to listen and follow me. Read it in your Bible. I'm going to read it from the Amplified Bible. Love endures long and is patient. Love is patient. I will expound it one by one as we go deeper. I might give you the Greek. So first, love is patient. Next, love is kind. Oops. Don't interpret it according to how you understand the word kindness. Hindi po yan according to the English word kindness. It is different in the Greek. Yan ang pagkakamali ng marami sa inyo. You're interpreting the Bible according to the English. Well, to tell you frankly, they are not written in English, in the original. They are written in Hebrew and Greek.